good morning, my family. Good morning, good morning. I'm on the outside today. Where people are getting, we're getting things done. Again, I'm just saying good morning, guys, and to give you a quick update on our tag sale or a yard sale or a garage sale. I don't know, but one of those things, right? We um we made what? Cause we made $70. We collected $70 from the sale, guys. We made $70 from the sale, and 40 and the one of the guys actually cut the yard for me, so that was a plus, which would have been $40. So in all, we did well considering it's the first time we did this. We didn't have enough signs up, so people really did. I've never seen a tax sale in this area, but maybe they're out there. I just never, I wasn't out there looking for them, and so it's a beautiful day out here. We had a lot of rain, and now it is sunny and bright today. So I need to run inside to get something done, and then to come back out. But guys, the birds are singing. It's always nice in this backyard. Always refreshingly nice to hang out around here, and to be thankful for all things. So I guess you could see that bird behind me. See, he's not even afraid to swoop down on the grass right there. Look at that. That's nice. Ah, look at that. Yeah. So I gotta go this way to keep following him or her. Yep, so I'm up and thankful, my people. Up and thankful. Little J plays. I'm so happy to see you out and about again. Michael, oh my God, you make my heart glad to just see that you responded to a video. I know in time you're gonna be back to your old keto self. And just one day at a time, my friend, one day at a time. But it was just awesome to see you respond to a video. Healing takes time, and you're going to get there in time. But thank you for jumping on and liking my little video with the thing. I don't know, gopher, or you said another name. Groundhog, that's what little J said. Never saw one in the backyard before, but one showed up today. So it was nice to see it and to get it done. So we're getting some stuff done. And parting is such sweet sorrow. But we're getting some stuff done, guys. And I'm grateful that even New York will benefit a little bit from what goes on here in CT. So I'm thankful for that as well. So I'm grateful for my cousin's support. She came up. She is somebody who just curls the legs and sits on the floor and just go at it. And so, it's just awesome. It's just awesome. You plant seeds, and some, as the sower, the parable for the sower and the seed, it's a powerful parable, guys. Powerful. He said the sower went out and he sowed his seeds, right? And some of them fell by the wayside. And they just come up for a while and then they die. Some of them were sown among thorns, and the thorns choked them. Some was planted in rocky places, it said, and they couldn't hold roots, right? And some was sown on good soil, and they came up, and they blossomed, and they bloomed, and they brought forth good fruits. And so it is in life, guys, and that parable teaches us that you do good, some people will appreciate it, right? Some people will be there giving you every day. They're giving you, they're praising you so much, and until some people, they bite hands that feed them, and then they look around and they want to feed again, But guess what? When you bite hands that feed you, what happens is that that hand remember the bite, remember the pain, remember, and the hand says, nope, I'm not going back there. And so just like the seeds, some of them grow up and they're thankful and they kiss the ground you walk on until they feel that they reach now, they don't need you. Then they show their true colors. So life is like that, and we go forward and we build and we move on. Never tarry. Just keep going and continue to build, because don't invest all your eggs in that one basket. Because that basket falls, the eggs break, you have nothing. But when you do good, do it to many around you and enjoy every moment and keep going. So, my people, I love you, appreciate you. Thank you for your support. Michael, my heart is with you, and I'm wishing for you all the best. So, yeah. You hear that revving guy? Yeah. So, yeah, that's how life is. So take care, be good to yourselves. Let me run inside, get something done real quickly, and just hope and pray that today will be a day of thankfulness, a day to get up and start again, a day to just be grateful for friendship and positives and support and upliftment and just love and respect. So that's that. Is this truck trying to... That's good. All right, guys. So thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. Bye.